We'll cover Startup Apps, system settings, junk files, and a few quick fixes you can apply right now. Let's dive in. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary apps that run when your PC starts. Right-click, hit Disable. Apps like Spotify, Zoom, or Update Manager slow your boot time. Step 2. Clean up space. Open Disk Cleanup by typing it into search. Select your drive, check temporary files, system files, thumbnails, then hit OK. You can also use Storage Sense and settings to auto-delete junk in the future. Step 3. Boost speed by adjusting visuals. Right-click this PC, go to Properties greater than Advanced System Settings greater than Settings under Performance. Select Adjust for best performance or customize it by keeping only smooth edges and thumbnails. Step 4. Free up memory by removing apps you don't use. Go to Settings greater than Apps greater than Installed Apps and uninstall any programs you don't need, like toolbars, games, or old software you forgot about. Now restart your PC and feel the difference. You've reduced background tasks, cleared space, and optimized settings, all in under 10 minutes. Bonus tip, you can try tools like Cleaner to automate cleanup or Malwarebytes to check for hidden threats. Just be cautious and always download from the official site. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll respond. Thanks for watching Byte Bloom. Thanks for watching Byte Bloom, where technology blossoms. Don't forget to subscribe and explore what's next.